when the machine is transported and the temperature changes. The tightness of the timing belt may change, causing abnormal machine noise. Noise can be eliminated by adjusting the tightness of the timing belt. There is a convenient way to adjust. Adjust this screw to adjust the tension of the timing belt, but loosen a screw on the side before adjusting. Loosen the side setting screws first. There are 3 such structures. 1. Timing belt on the right y-axis. 2. Timing belt on the left y-axis. 3. X-axis timing belt. There is a set screw on each side. Be sure to loosen the side setting screw before adjusting the elastic screw. Now, let's take adjusting the y-axis synchronous belt as an example. The timing belt of the y-axis is kept synchronized by the coupling. You need to loosen the screws of the coupling first. Use a suitable hex wrench to loosen the coupling screw. Loosen the screws of the coupling. Just release one. Then loosen the side set screws. Just release it, no need to take it off. Timing belt adjustment screw, clockwise tight, counterclockwise loose. We turn 1 to 2 times counterclockwise. Gently press the timing belt to feel the tightness. This state is too loose and needs to be tightened. Rotate clockwise and tighten the belt. Feel the tension of the timing belt with the other hand. This state is better. If you are adjusting the y-axis synchronous belt, we need to make sure that the tension on both sides is roughly the same. After adjustment, set the screws to fix the side. After adjustment, pull the beam to the very end so that there are no gaps on the left and right sides. Finally, fix the coupling screw. The adjustment is done.